In this video, we will solve another SQL interview question from StrataScratch. The question is bikes last used. This question is applicable to data engineers, data scientists, BI analysts, data analysts, and ML engineers. Here is the question. Find the last time each bike was in use. Output both the bike number and the date timestamp of the bike's last use. That is, the date time the bike was returned. Order the final result by bikes that were most recently used. So we have to write a query to find the IDs of each bikes and the time which the bike have been last used. So our input table contain the following columns: duration, duration in seconds, then start time, that is when the bike was taken, then start station from where the bike was taken, then start terminal, the terminal from which the bike was taken, then end time, that is the end time of the trip, end station, end terminal, then bike number, then rider type, and finally an ID column. So this is the input table that we are having, and the table is called as dz underscore bike share underscore q1 underscore 2012. So this is our input table with all the following columns. Now let us go back to our question once again. So here the question is to find the bike number and the date timestamp of the bike's last use. And also we can see expected output here. Let us take a look at the expected output also. So in our expected output, we require bike number and last used date timestamp. So let us start writing query for the same. So after the select clause, we don't want star. We only require actually two columns, which are bike number and last used date timestamp. But in our input table, we don't have a column called as last used. But from the question, we can understand that the end timestamp, that is the end time, should be taken as the last date time for the output. So here we require the first column is bike number, that is bike underscore number. Then the second column which we require is end time. This is the second column. Now what we have to do here is we have to write a window function based on which we have to find the latest date for each bike number. So for that we will write a window function, that is row underscore number. We will use the window function row number, and inside the over clause we will partition the result or the window based on bike numbers, partition by bike underscore number, and then we have to order the result or order the windows based on end time in descending order, that is order by end underscore time in descending order. And now we will give a name to this column, that is rnk, which is the rank. So we have our inner subquery created. So this query we will consider as a subquery, and we will take only the required instances or rows in our final output. So for that, let us place this query inside a parenthesis. Open parenthesis, close this parenthesis, and let us give an alias name for this subquery. And now before this subquery, let us write an outer query. So here we will write another select clause, select. We require bike number, that is bike underscore number, then put a comma. Then after that we require the end timestamp. Also the end timestamp column should be renamed as last used. So here after this bike number, end underscore time, and we'll give an alias name as last underscore used. So this is the new column name. And after this we will write a from clause, and finally after the subquery we have to write a where clause based on which we will only fetch result where the rank is equal to 1, that is rnk equal 1. So in that case we will get the latest end time for each bike number. And also in the question it's given that we have to order the final result based on bikes that were most recently used. So we have to order the result such that last used should be ordered in descending order. So we will write the order by clause, order by last underscore used in descending order. Now execute this query and let us see what the output we are getting. So we have successfully executed the query. So our query has been executed and this is the output. Now let us check our solution if that is right or wrong. So we have solved it successfully and our query is accepted. Let us compare the expected output with our output that we have obtained. So this is the expected output and this is our output which we have obtained. And both the output and our expected output is exactly matching. So we have obtained our final output. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.